Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a super fun DIY, and I am just obsessed with how cute it is. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made my DIY phone case. I've seen so many of these on Pinterest and Tumblr, and I thought how fun would that be to make my own and make it very pink, because I have my hashtag 45 days of pink challenge going on over on Instagram, which is just at Kellyprepster, and I just thought it'd be so much fun to make one of these and also share how I made it, because I get so many requests to do DIYs. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys do, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. But let's just get right into the video. Okay guys, so the materials that you need for this DIY are a clear phone case. I recently just got this one from Casery. They sent it to me a while ago. I picked it out because I thought I could do a fun DIY with it for you guys. Some scissors, and these I've had since 2nd grade, you guys. They are the tried and true. They've lasted this long. And then some clear tape. I just have this one from Scotch. It works perfectly. And then I'm going to be heading over to my computer and opening up Pinterest. And if you guys don't follow me on Pinterest, I will have it linked down below so you guys can click onto my board, because I made a board. So if you go to my profile, I have a board called DIY phone case, and I have different little pins, and these are all the pictures that I use for my phone case. But there's so many different options on Pinterest. There's like so many of these little things available. I just pinned a ton of the pink ones, and so I'm going to be showing you guys an example. So you're going to be dragging one of these pictures over to your desktop, or you can save it however it works best for you. And I did forget to film this, but I opened it in Photoshop, because you're going to want to print it out, but you don't want to print it out super big because your phone is only so big. So I did show you guys to print it, but I put it in Photoshop and made them smaller so that I could print them out and cut them out so that they would fit onto my phone. But ultimately you're going to want to print out these little things so you can cut them up. And as you guys can tell, I collaged a bunch of them onto a letter size piece of paper, and then I'm just going to start cutting them out. And you guys, since they're so tiny, it was so much work. It literally took me like over an hour to cut out the ones that I wanted for the phone case, but it was so worth it. So I just started cutting out the little Vineyard Vines whale to show you guys. It's so cute. I love it. And it's so tiny. Like, you guys can see the size difference between the sticker on my computer. But like I mentioned before, I just had to cut them all out, and you guys can get as close to the print as you want, or you can leave a little bit of white. I think that's more of a personal preference. I kind of did like a really simple cut and then started laying them on my phone. I would like them closer if I thought it needed it. And then once I had all the ones that I cut out that I wanted on my phone, I started arranging them onto my phone to see how I would like them, and that is the ultimate layout I came out with. And you guys, it was so much little tiny work. Like, you'd put it on and then it would fall off, but it was so worth it because it's so customizable to you. But so that is just like a little overview of what my cutouts look like. And then I'm going to be transferring them from my phone. I just gently place them on there into the phone case. And this is where it gets a little bit complicated, because you're going to need your Scotch tape. But when you put it into your phone case, you have to flip it, and you can't really see it that well. So you have to like kind of reverse it. And then I taped it onto the phone case. So that's how it works, but you have to like flip it over, if that makes any sense. And so I'm just going to keep doing that with all of the other little cutouts. And I found out that moving the big ones first was really helpful, because the little ones you could just kind of squeeze in. But if you have a certain place on your phone that you want it to, you kind of have to eyeball it a little bit better. And towards the end, I kind of messed it up a little bit because I moved some of them around, which is totally fine because there's no particular spot that they have to go in. It's just like how I had it laid out. It changed a little bit, but I really like how it turned out and everything. And you can go back and readjust it, because the tape, you can just kind of peel it off if need be. And that is my finished product. So it really looks super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys do make your own DIY phone case, be sure to share it with me, because I would love to see it. I think they're so cute and so customizable. I just think all the pink little emojis are so cute. I added like a little Vineyard Vines whale, and I have this little bubble, and it says what would Elle Woods do. Like, it says stay classy. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited about this. It's so cute, and it just makes me so happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you guys are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys!